Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the importance of cross-examination in respect of information collected by the assessing officer by taking the recourse to section 133 subsection 6 summons. This very important issue has been taken by Gujarat High Court in the case of Ma Padmavati Exports versus Income Tax Officer and another. And this case is reported in 471 ITR at page number 683. And the date of the judgment is 6th May 2024. In the present case, which is related to the assessment year 22-23, there were various unsecured loans into the balance sheet of the assessee, and the assessing officer, to verify those unsecured loans, issued 32 section 133 subsection 6 notices, or in other words, notice under section 133 subsection 6 was issued to 32 parties, and out of these 32 parties, 7 parties responded to the notices of the assessing officer, and the remaining parties did not respond. The assessing officer, on the basis of the various information collected through these notices, made the addition of the entire unsecured loans into the income of the assessee. In this case, one more fact was there. When the draft assessment order was issued, the amount of proposed addition was different, and in the final assessment order, the amount of addition was different from the draft assessment order. The assessee filed a writ petition against the assessment order on the allegation that section 144B mandates on the assessing officer that if he wants to make some addition, then he has to put the assessee on the alert through the draft assessment order that what addition the learned assessing officer is going to make. And secondly, the assessee was also contesting the matter that whatever the information has been collected by the learned assessing officer, that information has not been made confronted to the assessee. And for those parties also, the assessee should be provided the opportunity of cross-examination. When the Gujarat High Court heard this matter, the Gujarat High Court was of the considered view that whatever the information the learned assessing officer has collected by issuing the notice under section 133 subsection 6, that information should have been provided to the assessee, and the opportunity of cross-examination of all those persons to whom the notice under section 133 subsection 6 has been issued should be provided to the assessee if the assessee desires the cross-examination of those parties. Meaning thereby that if the assessing officer collects some information at the back of the assessee by issuing some notices and directly incorporates all that information into the assessment order without making available that information to the assessee, then it is against the principles of natural justice. So friends, in this case, the Gujarat High Court quashed the assessment proceedings and remanded the matter back to the learned assessing officer for de novo assessment proceedings by giving a direction that whatever the information has been collected from the parties to whom the summons were issued and the parties who responded that, and in respect of other parties also who do not responded to the summons, whatever the information the assessing officer is using against the assessee, all that information should be provided to the assessee. And if the assessee desires to cross-examine that person, so without providing the opportunity of cross-examine those persons, the assessment of the assessee cannot be made against him, and any information which the assessing officer is relying through those notices cannot be used against the assessee if that information is not provided to the assessee and the opportunity of cross-examination is not given. Friends, this is a very important case because in our assessment proceedings we see in day-to-day practice that whenever the assessee submits some information, the learned assessing officer issues notice to the various parties collects the information, and at one fine day we receive the assessment order, and in that assessment orders we come to know that the notices are not served, or the notices are served but some information is collected by the assessing officer, and the assessing officer uses this information against the assessee. So this is a very nice judgment as far as the assessee is concerned and as far as the opportunity of cross-examination is concerned. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Ma Padmavati Exports versus Income Tax Officer and another, and this case has been reported in 471 ITR at page number 683, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Gujarat High Court, and the date of the judgment is 6th May 2024. Thank you, friends.